In this video, we are going to run my new bambulab X1 Carbon through a battery test. Check this out. A Geiger Counter, an EMF meter, voltage, watts, sound, vibration meter. I'll whip out my wind meter. I guess we'll test it for wind. Awesome. I don't know. Let's go check it out. While I move to the other room, be sure to subscribe. Our YouTube channel had over 2 million video views last year, and we do reviews every week. So in this room I have a Prusa Mini, a Prusa MK3S Plus, another Prusa Mini, and just added the Bambu X1 Carbon. It's printing. When researching this printer, one thing I heard over and over again is how loud this is. So I don't know if you can hear me talking over the printing right now, about 3 foot away. It's really not much louder than the Prusa, so let's get out the sound meter. Another thing I was worried about was vibration. So the first two things we're going to test is sound and vibrations. So under all my Prusas I have like a ceramic towel and then a rubber mat. You can see that here. And I don't have anything underneath there yet. So let's test the vibrations first. So I'll show you, we're printing a cute little cat in there right now. Shut the door. That really dampens a lot of the sound. And let's just watch the vibration. I think it's got vibrometer, but it actually is really cool because it measures X, Y, and Z. Like, there's the X, that's the Y, and that's the Z. So you see, it's actually a really sensitive app. So I thought this desk wasn't going to be sturdy enough, and I was going to run to Home Depot and get some a 16 by 16 paver. But check this out, vibration on this desk. Are you seeing this? This is incredible. I'm like, the vibrations isn't that bad, people. When it goes through vibration tests, yes, it shakes there, but it's supposed to. That's impressive. Next test is a big concern for people is sound. So I could use a decibel meter on my iPhone, but I have one. So let's go test it out right now. We're gonna try a couple different things real quick. So I'm printing at the default settings. So let's start with the door open and right inside there. We're getting 77, 78, 80 decibels. But come on, the door's open and I'm right inside there. Now right outside that door, that's a big drop right there. Let's go back about 3 feet. There's 3 feet away. That's the hallway with the door open. Hallway with the door shut. That is just normal background levels. I have 2 of these Prusa Minis running. It's just about the same decibels until I talk. So I was super concerned about the noise level until I actually own one and use it, and I'm like, what's all the hype? Is it just normal Facebook drama, YouTube drama? I don't know, that thing is not noisy. What are people talking about? You have the proof. Next up, the Geiger Counter. Why? Because why not? Normal background levels here is this. That's like clicks per minute. So I got about 15. Let's put this around the printer and see if it changes. I don't know. Let's just do it. Why? I don't know. Because I have this. That's why. Well, good news. There is no radiation coming out of this 3D printer. Let's go to EMFs. For the record, the Geiger Counter does work. Oh, that's not safe. That's not safe at all. Look at here, lower uranium or something here. That's how you test a Geiger Counter. Next up is my EMF meter. You'd be surprised at how much this will pick up. And how do you know if your EMF meter's working? hold it by a microwave. Oh, that's not safe. Let's go test the Bambu. Okay, we still have the wind to test, the wattage and voltage to test. So let's see here. So we got some EMF because, you know, that's obviously because of the Wi-Fi. But that's the level. It's not in the thousands like a microwave, but it is there. Oh, there's none in the back. So the EMF is caused by the by this, obviously. You know, there's no detectable air coming out the front. Where's that fan vent to? 0. Obviously didn't think there's going to be anything measured on here, but I have the meters though. What the heck? Let's see how about the watts and voltage that we're using here. Oh, and amps. I keep forgetting about the amps. We're going to test the amps also. That's actually important, is how many amps you put on a circuit is what I actually consider the most important part. Alright, this print's almost done. Did I mention? Sure, the Bambulab can print 4 colors or more, but it's the speed is the reason to buy this. So I just did a test print on the Prusa, and the Mini and the M3KS prints about the same. This one's a little bit slower than the Mini, but not by much. Anyway, 8 hours. 8 hours on a Prusa. The print took 8 hours. The same exact STL file, 3 hours. So I'm thinking a 5 hours savings. How much is your time worth? It's pretty impressive. I might need to get another one. Alright, this print's almost done. Now we're going to use the kilowatt. And we can see we're 120 volts. How much amps are we having in here right now? 0 amps. 0 watts. I'm going to turn this on in the back of the machine. See what happens. $7 watts, 0.13 amps. So this is on idle, which is nice to know. Like if your print's done at night, how much is it going to use? It's going to use 9 watts of power, 0.15 amps. 9 watts is less than these LED lights in here. But maybe when that when the screen goes to sleep mode, let's see how much power it's going to use. So it's now using 8 watts when the screen went to sleep. I'm going to send a print job over here, and let's see what the real power usage is. Okay, I sent this little print job over here. It's heating up, and let's just see here. I see we're at 60 watts. Let me show you. We're at 215 Celsius. Just watch 60 watts. You know, like an old light bulb, not the LED kind. Was that incandescent lights? So we're still using less than 1 amp. So this is a separate 15 amp breaker I put in just for this room. Post below, do you care about more about amps or wattage? Let's go back to watts. My LED light strips up here are 15 watts. But remember, the old light bulbs were 60 watts and higher. I'm surprised. This is using less power than a light bulb that you had like 5 years ago. Our whole house is LED lights now. But before then, a light bulb. We're at 40 watts right now. Okay, we are now printing. I'm printing PLA. It's 220 degrees Celsius. The bed's at, what, 35? How many amps? Half an amp. That's incredible. I'm really impressed. Did any of those results surprise you? I know some people did some of these before, but I saw no one test for EMF and no one test for radiation before or when. I know that one was silly, but hey, why not? I have all these meters for our YouTube channel, Steve's Real World. Be sure to subscribe. Post your questions below. I read every comment.